Okay. Reflection of light at curved surfaces, class 10 and physical science. Today we are going to discuss about some problems by using sign conventions of light. See here I gave some example. This is an example in our textbook. An object 4 centimeter in size. An object is 4 centimeter in size. Is placed at 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. Concave mirror. A focal length 15 centimeters. Here given a concave mirror. Suppose this is my concave mirror. This is my principal axis, everybody knows. This is my P, focal point, and this is my focus, and suppose this is my center of curvature. Because focal point always lies between P and C, and exactly midpoint. My focal point is exactly midpoint. And the focal length is given 15 centimeters. This is very important. My object is 4 centimeter in size. That means the height of the object is given. My center of curvature is clearly 30 centimeters. Very clear. My center of curvature is that because F is exactly midpoint and between P and C. Okay. So PC is equals to 30 centimeter. This is always equals to 2F. I told you clearly. That means F is equals to 15 centimeter. That is given. Focal length. This is also called focal length PF. Okay, it's good. Now, in front of concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter, it is over. The object is placed at 25 centimeters. It's help to understand where it was located. Exactly 25 centimeters means it lies between F and somewhere. This is my object exactly 4 centimeters. Once again I will read the question. An object is 4 centimeters in size, is placed at 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror should be a screen be placed in order to obtain shape of an image? This is the first question. I know sign conventions. This is my incident ray. It is going this direction. Everything we should be measured from the pole. We already studied yesterday. All distance should be measured from the pole. Okay, my incident ray in this direction, but I am measuring to the opposite to the incident ray. My PF is always, that is F is always minus 15 centimeters. This is sign conventions we already studied yesterday. Okay. Now, my height of the object is given. This is I call HI. That is exactly 4 centimeters.
HO
object, height of the object. 4 centimeter it is positive because this we are measuring above the principal axis. So it is a 4 centimeter. O means object height 4 centimeter. It's clear. Okay. Now, an object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeters. That means the distance from pole to the object. That is this is say some A. PA is the distance between object and the pole. That is PA is given by 25 centimeters. It is also measured from pole to the object. My direction of the light ray in this direction. That means we are measuring opposite to the incident ray. It is to be taken negative by sign conventions. This is here we called U. Now using mirror equation, I would like to find size of the image and distance from the pole.
Image.
Pole to image. Okay. 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. We already studied. This is mirror equation in which I know F. My F is 1 by minus 15. That is equals to 1 by my object distance is minus 25 plus 1 by V. I don't know distance from image to pole or pole to image. I don't know the distance. That's the reason I'll leave it as it is. It is going this direction. I mean, we transposing that side 1 by plus 25. But here we have already 1 by minus 50. That is written here. That is equals to 1 by V. 25 and 15. 75 is my LCM. 25 is in 3 times. I will write 3 1 ya 3. 15 how many times? 5 are. 5 is 5 1 ya 5. Minus 5. 1 by V. This is to be taken minus 2. So minus 2 by 75 is equals to 1 by V by inverse tendo. That means if you take the inverse of these two again, I will get V is equals to 75 by 2 with minus. That is equals to 37.5 with the minus. This minus represents inverted image. Okay, anyhow I will tell you. This is minus. Am I clear or not? So my object is very far from center of curvature because here we have 30 centimeters, maybe here. But it is an inverted image. Why we get minus? This is very, very important. Incident ray in this direction. I'm measuring from pole to image. This is my image some I. This is Pi. This must be negative because my image can be catched beyond the center of curvature. Beyond the center of curvature. That's the reason I got minus. Am I clear or not? Incident ray is going in this direction. I'm measuring, I'm catching image away from the center of curvature, behind the center of curvature by catching image here by the help of screen. That's the reason I got minus. Minus helps us to find the image away from the center of curvature. Not only that, he asks the size of the image. Size of the image means height of the image. I have a formula. M is equals to H by Hi by HO is equals to
minus V by U.
Very good. Minus V by U. This is magnification we already proved. Magnification is equals to Hi by HO. Hi means height of the image. HO means height of the object that is given clearly. I would like to do it. Okay. I would like to do it here. Okay. So Hi I don't know, I would like to write as it is. HO means height of the object. I know it 4 centimeter, it is positive. I already explained. Away from the principal axis is equals to minus, I would like to write as it is, and I will write V as it is. V I know, just I proved. Minus 37.5 is divided by my U. My U is given directly minus 25. Minus 25 minus, okay. This minus and this minus get cancelled. Again we get minus because we measuring the image below the principal axis. That's the reason I got minus again. Okay. 25 table, 5 table. I would like to take 5 table here. How many times? 5 are 5 tables in here 7 times point 5 times because here 2 is remainder 25. Okay. Again 5 table how many times? No 5 table 1.5 times 15 1.5 times. Okay, clear. So HI is equals to with minus 1.5 into 4. Here we have in 4, right? Here divide, we will go that side, it multiplied by 1.5. That is equals to, HI is equals to, how many times?
Minus 6.
Okay, 6 times, okay. 6.0 with the minus. So these centimeters, okay, we can write minus 6 centimeters. So its height is 6 centimeters.
Minus.
But compared to the, yes, minus represents the downwards, that's all. So the height of the image is greater than the, this is 6 centimeters, this is greater than the
Object.
height of the object. Am I clear?